For the open workout 21.1, it's wall walks and double unders. So when we measure ourselves at the wall, the RX standard here is we lay face down so that the tape is going to be at the shoulder position, and then we're going to move from there. So the flow of the workout goes as follows. We start facing the wall at the tape. At 3, 2, 1, we move into position. Feet must touch the wall at the start, hands on the tape. The hands must stay on the tape while the feet come onto the wall, and then the hands may move all the way to touch the tape and then return back to that starting position. Hands touch the tape before the feet come off the wall onto the floor. That's 1 rep. Some things that we can go over here is, and we will go over in class, is to save the shoulders a little bit. So if we're laying down on the ground, is to keep the knees down, push up, send the hips back, and then feet up on the wall and moving towards the wall onto the tape. The other one is when we're resting is come down and come off tension. Put your arms at the side. You don't want to be in that bottom of the push-up position. You can even come up and kneel up if needed. But what we want to avoid is resting in that on tension. Scaled standards for 21.1. The line is going to be slightly different. We're not concerned with the line at the wall. That's going to be set for us, for those that are doing the RX standard. But as we're here, workout starts the same way as the RX version, and then hands must be on the outside part of the tape when we bring our hips up and feet up the wall. Outside part of the tape, feet on the wall, and then walking to the other side of the tape, clearing it, and then returning to the outside part before the feet come down. That is the scaled version. Same rules apply as far as getting the hands to move after the feet move. And the other thing is resting. Same thing, we want to focus on resting as needed with the scaled. Single unders will be the jump rope movement instead of double unders as well. The option, this is inside Island Park Fitness. This is not a scale that has been given to us as part of the official workout. We're going to use the box. For those that are not comfortable getting their feet up to the wall, the box is something, a platform that they're going to be able to get your feet on to be stable. So we're going to measure the same way out from the box instead of the wall. Hands start in front of the tape, and then lifting your hips and feet up onto the box for support, and then moving the hands there and back before the feet come down. We want to make sure everything comes down to the floor, not just coming to your knees. Make sure your chest comes down to the floor as well. Another thing with this, since it is not an official scale, it's our scale, you can go a little bit further and make it a little more challenging. So when you're coming from the starting position, you can bring your feet up, your hips up, and then walk into a true pike. And you can go as far as you're able to, and then back to that starting position if you're looking to get a little more out of that, but you're not quite at the other scale.